This is Shah, and XRP is quietly setting up one of those moves that most people only notice after it already happens. Right now, the price is trading around 1.87, and if you zoom out just a little and ignore the noise, the structure is actually very clean and very simple. This is not a random move. This is price reacting exactly the way it should around a well-defined demand zone. In the last update, we clearly marked the demand zone around 1.82. That area was not chosen randomly. It was a strong reaction point in the past, and price respected it again. Each time XRP dipped into that zone, sellers failed to push it lower with strength. Instead of continuation to the downside, price started showing hesitation, long wicks and shallow pullbacks, which is a classic sign that selling pressure is getting absorbed. At the same time, XRP was facing a clear downtrend line. Price kept getting rejected from that trend line, which is normal in the early stages of a reversal. What matters is not the rejection itself, but what happens after it. Instead of breaking down aggressively after rejection, price dipped back into the demand zone and held it again. This behavior formed a clean double bottom structure around 1.82, which strengthens the level even more. Double bottoms at demand zones usually signal exhaustion from sellers. The market already tried to break this area once, failed, tried again and failed again. That is why the current price action looks compressed. XRP is basically trapped between strong buyers below and trendline sellers above. When price compresses like this, the breakout often comes suddenly and with momentum. Right now, XRP is sitting very close to the downtrend line again. The distance between price and resistance is getting smaller, which means a decision is near. Based on the structure, the repeated defense of the demand zone, and the absence of strong bearish candles, the probability still favors an upside breakout rather than a breakdown. As long as price continues to hold above 1.82, the bullish idea remains valid. Even small dips into that zone are acceptable as long as daily closes do not start forming below it. This area is acting as the line in the sand. Losing it would change the structure, but holding it keeps the upside scenario intact. Once the downtrend line breaks with acceptance, the first logical target is around 1.94. This is a short-term resistance where some reaction is expected. If price manages to push through that area, then the psychological level at $2 comes into play. That level is important not only technically, but also emotionally for the market. So volatility around it is expected. Overall, XRP is not weak. It is building pressure. The demand zone is holding, the double bottom is formed, and price is pressing against resistance. As long as 1.82 remains defended, direction stays to the upside and the breakout is only a matter of time, not hope. Let me know in the comments which coin you want me to cover next.